Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include rear view camera, pass-through rear seat, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2014 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, mirror memory, security system, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering, vinyl seats. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.